Yo, what's up, B?
Look at that. CBC short again. This was a
Make sure you
bear
adjust the
flag.
session low, guys.
And then we just fell off a cliff. Entries here, entries here, entries here, entries here. Guided by the 10-minute. I need to slow it down, kind of bring it back to basics, because this would be me chasing this small move. This would be
Yeah,
me
I think so
chasing
too.
this small move.
Normally I don't like to trade OPEX, these
Pardon me.
switching days, but
Trading the small move, instead of following
testing my luck
candle by
today.
candle, which is what I'm going to do today. Don't really know what to do. Yeah, 2 contracts is what I'm going to be trading. And the goal is to not predict price, not predict reversals.
I did get the grass planted, yes.
This is
and it looks great, dude.
This is a demand zone, but I don't know, man. Supply and
Putting on a
demand
bunch of plugs and dethatched it and
has just been bugging me recently.
top dressed it, my whole yard. And it looks
even though
great.
this
My
is a
backyard,
demand,
not so
and
much.
instead of
Just
taking a
the
trade
dogs
as
up
soon
in
as it
there
hits
just need to get
demand,
some sod.
maybe I'll wait for
Which I'm gonna talk to
confirmation,
some people about, so.
and
It's Florida.
go from there, to be honest. I have no other accounts. I blew those accounts. Oh crap. Yeah, I don't know if information was on that, but oh well.
Twice. So they just took them again. I still got hella pavers. I can only put in about like 8 or 9 at a time.
And yeah, we are back, man. We are
wheels
back.
Start like bowing out.
Market's open in 3 minutes. Trying to be as patient as I can. This is previous day low. Yesterday, Wednesday's previous low.
Man, those bitches are heavy.
Tuesday's previous day low.
They're like big too. And like 2x2.
Upside, we have previous day high. Tuesdays, yesterday's, Wednesdays, and Mondays. I think going forward, I'll keep these on my charts to see how it react to them.
About to open here.
Not gonna keep the orbs. I'll just do those daily. It would be just way too many lines on my chart. And yeah, let's see what the market wants to do, if it wants to continue going down or not. But following 10-minute.
All right, guys. Remember, a quick note: don't shadow trade me. Don't copy trade just because I take them. I am at the same amount of risk as all of you. I could lose, I could win. But bottom line is that I know how to manage
strong demand bounce though.
My positions. If you shadow trade someone
50 points already,
and they stop out, you may not stop out because
look at that.
You're not sure why you're in the trade in the first place, or you didn't expect to take a loss, so you haven't prepared yourself for that experience. I got St. Augustine. Large lower wick there. CBC still short, so I can't take a long until it flips long.
Market opens in 45 seconds. CBC is short. Large lower wick could provide opportunities, but we shall see how we react. This could be a short opportunity as well, but market is opening in 10 seconds. And we could get a rip like we saw yesterday, where it just ripped crazy. So, yeah, man. I'm going to be following Maple, so...
Good luck.
Because I've had the 2 bad weeks, so I'm just going to be following Maple, seeing how he does his thing.
I want to let the dust settle. I mean, I feel like it could be a good short off the 2-minute EMAs, but they have like swept that liquidity under 660 on ES. So the 2-minute CBC is bullish. I took the ES long for a scalp, 2-minute CBC.
Oh, not again.
Don't shadow it.
Fuck's sake. Well, I'm just gonna let this play out and see what happens. That's so jarring.
Yo, what's up, Evan?
Fuck's sake, man.
Pretty good so far, bro. How about yourself? Point gain ES, sold half. What'd you lose on?
Okay, let's go back to NQ. So annoying, bro.
All right, let's see what they want to do here.
Just rejected a 10-minute 9.
Remember, it's just a 2-minute scalp. We already de-risked 5 points, but it's super risky.
Big rejection of the 10-minute 9.
Just because the CBC is bearish.
Back below previous day lows almost. Yeah, it looks like it could be rejecting.
Yep, yeah, they're closing it under the 2-minute 20 now, so I may cut the remainder, the half position here.
I don't know if I want to give it as an opportunity. That was a big rejection of the 10-minute 9. No, look at them buying it back up. Yeah, that's what I did not want. This is going to be our orb levels. Orb. Dude, I don't know, man. I'm hesitating here, but I do feel shorts.
I don't want to focus so much on the long, right?
I'm going to
position left.
I just don't want it to wick me disgustingly.
See if they can defend the 2-minute CBC. They got 50 seconds here.
It does look like it wants to be a short. Oh, I don't like that wick. Oh, I don't like the wick. Oh my god.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Why did they like doing that to me?
Nice defense on the 2-minute CBC. I'm still in half my position here. I think we could get a breach, maybe to VWAP there. If they can flip the candle by candle method, it does still have 6.5 minutes here. But good scales again. If you missed it last time, not a bad idea to de-risk.
That's very annoying, bro. It's like right there. Go up to VWAP then.
Wow, Tesla with a stick. 5 points to the upside here. Meta also breaking pre-market high.
I just don't want it to wick me out.
I mean, like Meta would have been good, you know, on the red candle, but Tesla's just now flipping green. That's not something that I'm really interested in. Over the pivot, especially.
Yeah, that's frustrating, bro. What the hell?
Ooh, here we go. This is where they're making it hard on the longs.
That's so frustrating, bro. I wonder if they buy it back up here, which they look like it wants to do.
I just don't like that 10-minute rejection. Let me cut it here.
Yeah, look, it's giving it now, man. That's so annoying, bro. Unless it wants to do it back here. Take it right here. In the same place where we just wicked up. Nah, it closed now.
All right, 2-minute CVC flipped. I cut the rest of my ES.
I'm wondering if it wants to just bounce here. No. I don't get it, bro. I fucking had it and then it just wants to whip me up and take.
That's why it's really hard to trade long when the CVC is bearish. 2-minute flip short, I mean, it may be good risk to reward. 2-minute CVC, but I just don't like how we're in those lower wicks.
2 minutes still long.
Excuse me.
Oh my god, like, bro. I don't get it, man. I don't get it. I don't know. If it truly fails 80s, then it would likely go further down.
It meta. Oh, damn. A huge rejection. Most names are red this morning, aside from Tesla. Obviously, because that pre-market kind of sell off. But damn, dude, did I cut it? Place? I'm just trading the CVC, but
CVC just needs to flip back. Bearish. I'll try it off that rejection to see if we get it. But I don't have the drawdown, so
wow, NVIDIA dying.
We need it to flip, but it looks like it wants to pump. That's very frustrating. Like, he just wanted to just wake me out, man. And then I took the long and just lost on the longs twice. Come on, man. Buyers are really trying to step up here, but I just need them to give up. Yeah. Yeah, I don't like it.
Do I trust the 2-minute CVC? The 10 minutes telling a little bit different of a story.
Yeah, this is gonna pump up. It's just gonna stop me out. This looks like it's a double bottom as well. So we'll see. And as well, this is a demand zone. Like, this is a demand zone, which is concerning. But hopefully we get it. We can come down. Yeah. Buyers are strong. They're not giving it up to the sellers.
This is 10-minute close.
39 seconds. Yep, it's gonna stop me out.
2-minute flip, but we didn't get a candle closing beneath that 2-minute flip.
19.
And only 10.
380. 19,400. Oh, that's far away. Yeah, I don't like these closes.
10-minute candle.
We're just gonna pump up. Moving this down.
You have a green entry. Let's take up a wick now.
It's so tough, man. Yeah, look at it. Yep, Ripperooski.
This is where I'd like the short, but I'm just concerned about the bounce. This could be that long bounce that I was looking at earlier. Long's a little greedy here.
Yeah, just like I said, this looks like a double bottom. And it looks like we're going to get it. Oh,
Damn, dude, they really whipped me out of my long.
I really wanted this VWAP as well, which is so annoying.
It's a 5-minute look like.
Yeah, this might be a retest. Try to get this on a red candle. Come down some more. Doesn't look like he wants to give it. I'm going to go break along to see if it gives anything. Or if this was where buyers feel that they're gonna
Like
just step in.
Yeah, no, I can hear you.
I mean, fail and then sellers step back in. Yeah, he's coming back down. Fuck's sake, bro. This account's done as well.
The short, bro. This looks juicy, but they could flip it here. Green candle, CVC short into the upper wick on the 10-9. But I don't really have 2-minute EMAs in my favor either. There you go. There you go.
Let's get this bill breaker.
Damn, dude, they really whipped me out of my long there. That sucks.
Oh, 330 right now. I'll take 100 off my bill. VWAP is up here, concerning. Come on. Damn. Damn. Come on. Come on. Okay, I'll take 100 off my bill.
Yeah, what's up, Mikey?
What time is it? I need to charge my phone soon. Yeah. Let's charge this for sure, for sure, for sure.
I mean, like they could flip it here, and we have 6 minutes. The 2-minute CVC is bullish. I think the risk reward for short is great, but we're on VWAP. That's like 9 points. I don't have the 2-minute EMA as my favorite one. Super risky, but I took the ES short 10-minute CVC risk.
Why is he short? Confused. Oh, a 10-minute rejection.
Don't shadow trade me, guys, okay? I got an entry there, like, right off of the 10-9. CVC is still bearish, but they are holding this kind of curling kind of bottom here, rounding bottom. I'd love to see them create like a low, like pushing into like 56. But that's only if the buyers can't defend and the sellers hold the 10-minute CBC.
That should have been my
Does need to
entry.
flip short as well,
Mm-hmm.
which closes in 10 seconds.
Yep, bounce off the 2-minute. 9.
Okay, the 2-minute flip now. It's just quiet, yeah. Yes, it looks.
Yeah, it's gonna stop me out.
There's a few points here, but I'm really looking for a little more here. I don't know, a 2-minute EMA cross, retested there.
That's a bad trade that I just took. Go breaker. Bro, really? What the fuck, fam? Oh my gosh, man. Those are just bad trades, bro. Those are just bad fucking trades.
Be nice to me. Be nice. I want more than this. I'm being a little greedy.
Oh, fuck's sake, man. I wasn't paying attention. Fuck's sake. Fuck sake, bro. Fuck sake, man.
Yeah, and you know, don't have a bias just because I'm looking short or I am short, right? Like, you know, to trust your own kind of thesis. This right now, the 2-minute EMAs have crossed, and I don't have a CBC long on ES quite yet. But we're just sitting here like right at break even. Feels like they could stop me out on that EMA cross and retest. Look at NQ pushing. Got a minute and 20 seconds here.
Bro, these rejections are just nasty, man. Like, just fucking nasty, bro. Like, what the flip?
What else? Nvidia broke pivot. What the puts look like.
15-minute old. That's cool.
30 seconds here for the 10-minute closes.
What fucking hell, man?
We're right on break even here on ES. But they are not showing a lot of strength from the sellers off the EMAs quite yet. And they could push deeper into those EMAs. Is a concern of mine. No flip long. Although, you know, I have seen it push up without a flip long, which is really tough to trade.
Were you getting it? Was that the pullback? to go longer.
I'm just, they could blast this thing right now.
Oh, look at where we are, son. When do we open? Yeah. Yeah, no wonder. This would be it, you know.
I mean, like,
I'm
and
gonna try.
I see Meta pushing, and Tesla is really the only one breaking out. You can see the momentum scanner there.
Oh crap.
Apple also showing strength, so that's, I think, the issue.
Oh. This is a golden zone rejection that I'm looking for to play out. Doesn't look like it.
CBC, bro. Fuck.
Sell one here. Let's see if it gives it here. VWAP is right here as well.
No flip there yet. Right at that seller's ask there, 73 though.
Mm-hmm.
10-minute 20 on NQ. Are you gonna give it to me or nah, son? Do I get the golden zone rejection or nah? Also taking an NQ short for a bill breaker scalp.
Oh, there we go, bro.
Already breaking the bill. Fuck yeah.
Oh, there we go.
I like the 10-minute 20 here.
Oh, don't bounce, bro. Okay, I'll take 100 because then at least I'll be up 500 on the day.
6-point gain ES. I'm gonna cover half of the short.
Up 800 on the day now. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful.
All right. 20-point gain NQ.
Beautiful,
Covered half.
beautiful, beautiful. 20 points and we're out. Oh, yeah. Yeah, out. 800 on the day, son. Nice. Nice golden zone rejection.
Any guesses on what age I'll have gray hair? This shit is stressful. The rest full, bro.
I mean, 400 on a golden zone rejection. Beautiful. Beautiful.
It's still not over, right? Obviously, you can see they're bouncing it. They gave me an area to de-risk, which is great. But look at the buyers coming in like a dog, bro. Back to break even on ES.
CBC still short. Golden zone. I don't know if I should take it again. So one. Nah, buyers are strong. Another golden zone rejection is what I'll be taking. Let's see if it
Making
wants
me
to go
nervous.
down. Or if it really wants to continue up.
Come on,
One
Stellars.
contract.
Where are we at? Are you guys going to respect the EMAs that are below VWAP or not?
Yeah, we're coming up. EMAs are strong.
May not. I don't know. Sitting here waiting.
What am I risking on this? 20 points. I risk 10 points. Golden zone rejection. I kind of don't like this. Hold on.
Excuse me. "30 minutes left on the 10-minute candle, excuse me. Tesla's still pushing. Where's Apple at? Apple at the 10-minute 200. I need them to stay beneath that.
Just following price
Quick bill
action.
breaker short, but we didn't get a continuation under it. Buyers were there. Save the day, so.
And we are out of this trade. Yeah, I wouldn't want it back above VWAP. So, yeah. I'll take this as a loss. There we go.
I'm cold.
Or it might reject this. This is where it might reject. This is where I wanted it to reject before.
Yeah, they're just running over shorts this morning.
VWAP is up at 47. So it could even come up to here before rejecting.
2-minute flip bullish.
But this is about to flip bullish as well. So let's see what happens. It's it's inside the EMAs now. So I don't know. There we go. There we go.
Dude, they're too strong, bro.
Buyers are pushing it. VWAP is right there. Are we gonna rip VWAP or are we gonna reject? I don't know. I'm gonna try. I'm gonna try this one. This is where I wanted it before. And we'll see if we get it. That's so far, bro. 75 points is all the way down there. 100 points is all the way down here. I really wanted it. Oh, we're coming down.
Well, you can just sit and wait.
Oh, crap.
Until it's completely invalidated, but we got 45 seconds here. If they flip it green on NQ, I'll have to cut.
Yeah, I'm not letting this come back up. Come up 500. I'll take 200
we want to
from
get back
this.
under 20.
So this puts me back at 800. I want to sell one here. Cover one here. There
10
you
seconds
go.
here.
10 points.
Can they defend the 10-minute?
Right here. I'll take this. This put me up 1,000 on the day. Actually, let's confirm. Oh,
they did defend
there we
it.
go.
Flush. I mean, the 2-minute EMAs are there, right? They line them up there, but it's really crazy that on this big push up, the CBC is still bearish on the 10-minute.
I'm gonna get 300 more.
I'm about break even on ES.
I need to get
I'm down
300
5
more.
points on NQ.
I don't. When it says 300, it's gonna look just crazy. I'd rather it say no daily loss limit, and then my loss limit is gonna be 2,000. Beneath the golden zone again, so I don't know if we fail here or if we continue to push up.
We're jacked off of these. Jesus Christ, dude, they're fun. Look,
I just don't want it. I just don't want it to bounce right there. That's why I don't want to enter short right there. If this flips, then I'd be confident to stay in a position. It's just the EMAs are right beneath the golden zone.
Back in profit on ES. We're in profit on NQ. I'm looking at some NVIDIA puts.
Let's see if it flips in the next 30 seconds.
Yes, fucking, I want that lower low, bro. I want 50.
And then I can risk 700 on this trade, which would be okay. Still put me at $1,000 on a day. And then I can lock this account up. Orb has now been set. This is up here, I believe. Come on, 4 seconds. Flip it short.
And
give me a retest.
If you guys did copy my trades, which I don't recommend, you have the opportunity to cut it in profit right now. All right, so don't sit there and say, "Oh, I shadow maple and I took a loss because I'm a bitch." Like, no, dude, manage your trade, okay?
I want to pull back.
I don't click the buttons for you.
Pull back. Oh.
I took the NVIDIA 116 puts.
My bill breaker right here. Give me a pullback.
This is where the longs keep picking it up, though.
Come on. Come on. Let me go one contract. Come on. Give me a pullback to the golden zone. Give me a pullback. Give me a pullback. Come on. It just flipped. Buys up. Ooh.
Can we break through 62? Damn. Come on.
Ooh. Come up a bit more. Nah. Oh, crap. It's gonna. Ah, it's so annoying. What the hell? It's so slow. These fills are just horrible. Like, absolutely just horrible. I don't know. I wanted the golden zone pullback, but I don't know. Oh, I don't like this. I don't like that.
Like, what I feel like is that this drop down, what's up, paper? It dropped down. They took a little bit of profit. They didn't let the buyers flip the CBC. New sellers step in. They trap those buyers, and then they break lows. Like, that's what I do. Obviously, I'm not trying to predict
Oh my
price
god,
action
that's too fast.
I could lose.
That's way too fast.
Look at the buyers here now. They're still holding that.
That was way too fast.
So
I could not even. I would need a rejection here. Otherwise, this is just a lost trade.
Dude. So volatile.
Yeah, what the fuck, bro? That was way too fast, fam. 1,700, needed 300, now I need 1,000. Oh my god, only for them to reject? Oh, I'm taking it short again. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Just drop it down. But I don't like these wicks though, so I'm actually technically gonna walk away from these wicks, but I just wanted to
This
break
62
down.
is key. I mean, I think it's like a micro golden zone. Yeah, right there. Look at ES. So if we can break under that with the CBC short, or close beneath it, then we could, give me a bit more confidence in the short. I mean, we're up 7 points right now. You guys should be covering.
Come on. Oh, fuck's sake. I don't know right now.
Yo, what's up, AJ?
CBC is short on the 2 minute. Oh, I need to go on the 10 minute. What am I doing here?
Maybe I should de-risk a little more ES. But 10-minute CBC will tell me when to get out, right? Come on, break the 60.
Come on, man. Break the shit down. Break your neck, fool. These buys are just very strong here. This might just be another wiki kind of day. And this is where I get like really chopped up and stuff and frustrated.
Matt, you can watch it in the Discord. There's no delay in the Discord on the stream. Dude, they're fucking holding this thing, man. Gets on my damn nerves.
They're gonna pump
I'm in
it
profit,
up.
but this, I want a lower low. Maybe they're baiting me further short. See how they bought right off that 61.8 fib? That 660 there. Maybe it's a 2-minute cross retest here. They have to defend the 2-minute CBC. So just really slow. And this is OPEX.
Bro.
This is quad, triple, whatever the fuck which you want to call it, man. This is
Wow,
what
bro.
you should expect, right? I don't like trading these types of days.
Oh my god, now I'm
But
chasing.
here we go.
It's gonna
There
wick.
we go. Fucking break it.
It's gonna wick now.
Break it down.
Oh my
Here we go.
god.
Here we go. They're breaking through that 61.8 fib, the micro at 660.74 on ES. We're up 10 points. I'm going to cover a quarter here, 10-point gain.
That's so annoying, bro. It's just there.
Feels like a bull trap there, right? That sell off, although there's some pretty green candles, how do sellers lock in profit, guys? They cover, they have to buy a little bit. So I feel like they just bought a little bit, covered into the EMAs. 10-minute CBC has been short all morning, and I feel like we're about to crack the lows. That's how you fucking do it.
I had that so many times, bro.
Fuck these guys, man.
I had that so many times, bro. I just wanted to keep wicking me.
They try to get me, bro. They try to get me, bro. You see that? That's why you don't act like a bitch. That's why you trust candle by candle method. Because look, there's 13 points.
They fucking got me, bro. And now I'm
Yup.
down.
Payout secure. We out this bitch. That's what I'm talking about, Seymour. You guys blow that up for Seymour. He getting some money.
Oh my god, bro.
See, 50
Fuck
like don't discredit the those smaller payouts. Those are gonna build confidence in your trading, bro. For real. You have to appreciate those. Because then what does that do, right? That shows that, hey, you can extract profit from the market. You can do it consistently. If you've done it once, you can surely do it again. Dude, what a stressful fucking trade, man. NVIDIA trying to sell their green candle here. They are in a little demand. But if they can sustain the 10 and 2 here, I think we can go down to 114. Hey, dude, the top set payouts are taking forever, bro. They're taking forever. Come on, let's break that 650. Now, I will also mention another target of mine on ES is the roll gap, right? When the contract's rolled, there's a level at 637. NVIDIA testing low of day. Buyed at the pre-market low. And NQ, we're up 40 points here, guys. It's $800 per contract. Please manage your position.
Fuck's sake, man.
But it took a long time. It's still taking a long time for the 5K payout. But for the I had one that was like 3K and that was, paid out pretty quickly. Nice, Bert. Nice work, guys. Get some fire X there for Bert.
What time is it? 2. Okay.
Maybe I should get all out of NQ here. It's a complete bill breaker. Handle green, CBC short, but I don't want to, what if that goes to the lows, bro? Nah, that looks like a double bottom higher low coming.
Oh my god, it's so strong. Wow, just blew through that. Oh, I'm so annoyed, bro. I'm really annoyed, man. Oh, look at that golden zone bounce as well. Yeah, we're going back up. We are going back up. Oh my god, man. I just gotta scalp this shit.
Is that a 10 and 2 dip on ES?
CVC is short.
I mean, it looks like double bottom.
ES is in a demand zone.
But I can't trade along anyway until the CBC flips bullish. So.
Okay. Let's break this pivot.
Trailing stop loss hit there in Q.
And then we're going up. Okay. Oh, come on, man. Let me get my orders in place and then you can do whatever the fuck you want to do.
I just don't want to play around with NQ. It can go lower, but fuck it. I'll walk away with a little bit of green.
Okay, 200. Come on, let's go back up to VWAP. Come on.
I don't know, man. I mean, are we gonna? The likelihood of a trend is low.
Yeah, it's gonna reverse and take me out right here. Come on. 250. Only down 500 now. Come on. Break that pivot. VWAP is very strong here, so yeah, it might take me out here actually. Yeah. I should have taken one off here. That would have been much better. We're back
4.5
above
minutes here left on the ES 10-minute candle.
back above the 15-minute orb. Only down 500 now, so one good trade could do. Oh, I like this.
I like the dip. I like the 10-minute CVC dip, 10 and 2. But
Yeah, I
the
like
10-minute CVC is
this.
bullish, so.
I hesitated a little bit on that. I'm gonna wait. I hesitated a little bit on that.
Dude, it's been 45 minutes since the open. Wow.
And I lost one account already.
Guys,
and
please
I'm
don't trade
down.
this, you know? Like maybe come back after one. Maybe it's better. I mean it could play out here, but you know, what's the point of this?
Back below the orb. Rejected this. These are all rejections. And we're back here now. But it's like we kept bouncing off of this level. So maybe it gave me another entry. I'm gonna take it long. And I'm gonna see if it wants to give it.
So take another NQ bill breaker, bro.
But I don't want to give it a whole lot. Yeah, I'm out. It's not giving it. That's annoying.
Scalping the NQ short bill breaker.
Delete this.
Remember, don't shadow. This is a later entry, I feel like, on NQ. Nice work, Waffle.
Oh my fucking gosh, bro. No. Fuck it. I am long. Break above this. I'm buying one more. Fuck it. I am long. Just break above 25s. Yep. And I want to sell one. Sell limit up here. Up at 70s.
Yeah, it doesn't feel like the short is strong here.
You're going to break even.
It's at 20 EMA. They tap.
Oh my
You can see
fucking gosh,
again that
bro.
micro golden zone. I just bought into it.
They're just rejecting this, bro.
But CVC is still short.
I'm just fucking flip-flopping around, to be honest with you. It doesn't seem like he wants to give it anything. Oh my gosh, man. Just give me something, bro. I won.
It doesn't look good here for the shorts.
It doesn't look good for the shorts. Oh, bro, don't tell me that. I'm out. I'm out of that. I'm out of that. 500 worth of drawdown left. I'm gonna take it on my other account because I have nothing. Why not? Yeah, they just keep rejecting this, man. They just keep rejecting it.
Well, welcome to OPEX, guys. You guys see why I tend to not trade these types of days? There's really not much going on.
Should I take a bounce off of this level? Maybe. Go on, let's take a bounce.
Yo, take it easy, Chad. Have a good day, bro. I mean, I'm green on the day. The NVIDIA position's red right now, but net, I'm green. We're still up 7 points on ES. Well, less than that now, 4. Oh, look at these buyers, man. They're not playing.
Break above this, man. Just break above this. Come on. Come on. Oh, okay. I'll take 200. Oh, I'll take 300. 400. But look how they're bringing it back down, man. Just fucking boost, man. I'll take 500, so I'm back break even now. What would make me 60, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Right here, sell 1. First target is there. Take 600. I'll take 800. I'll take a bag. Oh, here we go. Up 2,800. I mean,
I'm flat
1,800.
ES, flat NQ.
Bro, finally you gave me the move. Come on. Push up. Push up.
Damn,
Push, push.
son.
Push, 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 push. Ah.
Bravo, Mikey. I cut my NVIDIA.
14. Now I'm locking this account right where it's at.
Oh, don't be sorry.
Right where
Don't be
it's
sorry.
at,
I'm up
man.
huge on the week.
Only because I just fucking flopped on this account.
Dude, they keep baiting, man. You know? They keep baiting, bro. Unfortunate here. So green on ES, that last NQ trade, I took the L on NVIDIA. I'm being a little patient here. You know, that's a really tough call because of that higher low double bottom look. But you don't have the CVC bullish. But again, it's a range bound form of price action, so I can't rely on it so much. Maybe I should have looked at a smaller time frame. Yeah, I looked at 5-minute flip. But all good.
I have about 30 minutes and then I got to get out of here. Maybe he's basing off of this. And it wants to go up higher. Nope, it's going down. Nope, it's going down. Down, down, baby. Down by the roller coaster. Sweet, sweet cherry. Look at that. I was up 1,700.
You know, this is where buyers feel a little greedy.
Now I'm down
That's where the sellers wanna
1,700.
step in, buy, or sellers felt greedy at the lows.
What I mean.
Buyers stepped in. You know, this is our playing the edges kind of look.
Look at this though. Go long, short. Go short. Go long. Go long here, instant thing. Go short here, rip up. Go long here, down, and then it wants to rip up. I don't know, man. I don't know. Down 1,700 after being up 1,700 is wild. Yeah, I think this is it. We're back in the longs. One contract. Do your dance, baby. Do your dance, baby. Let's get this bill breaker. Let's get this bill breaker. Do your dance, baby. Do your dance, baby. Come on. 200. Oh, shit.
Excuse me. I'm just being patient here. I'm going to let this candle close.
Break even. Come on, do your dance, son. Yeah. Didn't want to risk that. Or unless this is a... I don't know if this is a short setup. See, look at this. This is clean. Pull back, pull back, pull back, pull back. And then this is messy. This is absolute messy. So this is just horrible kind of chop. Back below the 60s. 2 minutes until this closes. But this looks like it's... I want to try short.
Right on the 10-minute 20 and VWAP here. I'm not going to try the short because I don't have the 10 and 2 on my side. And I've been burned on NQ trying that short earlier.
It's just these upper wicks that's just concerning me. Oh, there we go.
A minute and a half here until the 10 closes.
Break even.
Tesla struggling.
Take 45.
This is like some divergence here, right? Because the EMAs are bullish, but they're below VWAP.
Come on. Yeah, look at these wicks now as well. Give me 100 at least, man. Let me take 100 from you, lot. Oh my lord. 7:05. 52 seconds.
I mean, and look, if you check out the orb, you're just stuck in that orb range.
Damn, bless me. What night wants to be moving? That's so funny, man. Back below VWAP. This is...
You got a higher low, CBC flipping long here in 5 seconds. They broke VWAP, but you're not closing anything above it.
I'm gonna try it long.
Do they give a red candle pullback into the 2-minute EMAs and then push? Is the question.
Yep.
Nice work, Chairman. Good work, bro. Pick the ES long, 10-minute CBC risk.
Just gonna want to stop me out in it. Of course.
You know,
Of
we'll see
fucking
how it plays
course.
out. I know that a CBC flip into bearish EMAs typically is a fake out, but I feel maybe a little different on it just because of that double bottom higher low look. Concerned again about the 10-minute EMA, 10-minute 20, excuse me, EMA and VWAP here.
I'm just gonna half my size. I've only got 200 of drawdown left.
And they're trying to push it green now on 10. Okay, here we go. Trying to keyword there. And it's going to be tough as well because, you know, we're at the orb high. I think maybe a downside or, you know, downside golden zone. Yeah, it's right over that. So I'm going to mark 50, 61, 8. I think that's a 2-minute test on NQ. Yeah, same thing as ES. I mean, normally this is like the kind of price action that you see now, you know, I have seen a trend on OPEX, but look at the orb range, right? This is typical. I'm only seeing if the sellers will cover here on VWAP 10-minute 20 because of the CBC flip long. We are green on the trade, but not by much.
This is just so frustrating, dog. I swear to God.
I mean, I don't, you know, I don't play too much into the fundamentals and everything, but, you know, some of the speakers here are talking about, you know, that it's OPEX, so there's a lot of puts expiring today, so, you know, they're going to have to sell or cover those puts, which could lead to a buy imbalance. I'm not seeing that on the chart currently. Yes, it has pushed up because of that, you know, pre-market drop from Goolsby talking about tariffs, but we're not trending. You know, I don't see a buy imbalance, so I'd love to see one, but I'm just trading alongside candle by candle method right now.